Hey everyone, so this is Mr. Corpus and I'm going to be showing you how to log into your SmartMusic account. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you can either go directly to the website smartmusic.com, or what you can do is you can go in through your Blend account, okay? So I'm going to show you this video that I made on how to do that, okay? Hey everyone, so this is Mr. Corpus. I'm going to show you how to get to SmartMusic through your Blend account. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into Blend, go to Dashboard, and it'll take you to all of your courses. I'm going to use my clarinet class as an example. Now, when you go to the Home Page tab, you're going to see a slide that looks like this. It could be one of mine, it could be Mr. Heffler's, or one from Mrs. English. And what you're going to want to do is here's the first slide. You're going to go to the slide that has the helpful links or any of the links that look like this, and you're going to click on SmartMusic, okay? Once you click on SmartMusic, it's going to take you to the website, okay, smartmusic.com. Now, I'm already logged into my account, so it's going to look like that, but I am going to take you to what yours is going to look like. So yours is going to look like this. And what you're going to want to do is, actually, it'll look like this. Yeah. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the bottom where it says students need to enroll in a class. You're going to click join a class. You're going to put your Austin ISD email here, and then you're going to put your class code. Now, you're probably wondering, where is the class code? What you're going to do is you're going to go back to your Blend, okay? Back to this slide. And as you can see on the bottom, it says your SmartMusic login code is, and here is the code. So you're going to take this code and you're going to put it into the class code. Once you do that, you click find your class and you will be able to log into your account. Okay? So that is how you log in to your smart account. Sorry, not your smart account. Yeah, your SmartMusic account. Okay? Okay guys, so as you can see, that's how you get into SmartMusic. That's another way to do it. And let's see. And if you have any questions, definitely email one of us. Whoever your teacher is, whoever's in charge of the band class, please email them directly and they would be happy to help, okay? Well guys, I hope this was helpful for you and I will see you all soon. You all take care.